Belrise supplies mission-critical, safety-first, high-performance engineering systems that are trusted by 29 or more of the world's top OEMs. We're talking names like Bajaj Auto, Hero MotoCorp, Honda, even Jaguar Land Rover and Royal Enfield. Brands that don't compromise. They demand nothing less than world-class quality, and that is what we have been delivering year after year. With a product portfolio that spans metal chassis systems, polymer components, suspension volume. Along with all of this, what we also offer is value, trust, and most importantly, innovation. A rock-solid growth engine that continues to accelerate. But you know what truly sets Belrise Industries apart? And no prizes for guessing this. It is really the mindset. A company built by visionaries, run by engineers, driven by thinkers, and as of today, backed by public markets. Today is really a celebration of Indian enterprise going global. It is a salute to decades of relentless work, of so many partnerships that we share. All of you present in the room, thank you so much, Swamiji. Thank you. And above all, it is a moment for us to mark the rise of Belrise from shop floor to stock exchange floor. So buckle up, we are about to witness something very historic, something that's not just a financial milestone, but it is an ignition of something much, much bigger. And as we can see evidently, we are joined by the best of the best, the company management, our respected partners. Thank you so much for being present here today. We would like to begin this morning by offering our gratitude to all of you in the form of a beautiful floral bouquet. At first, I would like to invite on stage Swami Ramdev ji. Sir, if you could please step forward and receive a floral bouquet from us. Aye, sir, please. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO, NSC. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here today. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. And please accept this floral bouquet on behalf of all of us. Thank you, sir. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan being the perfect host always. Thank you so much, sir. Please accept this bouquet on behalf of Belrise Industries. I'd also like to invite Mr. Shrikant Shankar Badwe, Managing Director, Belrise. Sir, aye, it's your day. Can we have a thunderous round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the man, the captain of the ship. Mrs. Supriya Shrikant Badwe, Director, Belrise. Welcome, ma'am. Yes, huge thunderous round of applause. It's an iconic day for this beautiful duo. Mr. Sumit Badwe, President Strategy, Belrise. Mr. Swasti Dadve, General Manager, Belrise. And for all of us, we are allowed to make some noise. Yes. It's a very... Thank you. That's the energy I'm counting on. Mr. Ashish Agarwal, Country Head, Jefferies, India. So please join us on the dais. Thank you so much for this incredible partnership, for being with us on this beautiful journey. Mr. Amrendra Singh, EVP and Group Head, ECM Investment Banking, SBI Capital Markets Limited. I'd like to invite Mr. Prateek Lonkar, Managing Director, Head of ECM and Co-Head of FSG Axis Capital Limited, to please join us on stage. And also joining us is Mr. Ranveer Davda, Managing Director and Co-Head, Investment Banking, HSBC Securities and Capital Market India. Thunderous round of applause. Standing on stage is everyone who's been leading us up to this moment. And now, since I have all the dignitaries on stage, we will go ahead with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. It's so deeply rooted in our tradition. And of course, I'd like to invite on stage Ms. Kumud Badve. Ma'am, please, aaiye. Please join us on stage. Let me... And may I also invite Mr. Ashish Agarwal, Mr. Amrendra Singh, Mr. Prateek Lonkar, and Mr. Ranveer Davda, and Dr. Harish Ahuja, Head Sustainability and Issuer Relationship, NSE, to please join us for the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, time to now invite on stage someone who perfectly represents the emerging leadership of the company, the future torchbearer of Bellrise, who holds a dual degree, a BSc Engineering from the University of Pennsylvania and BSc Economics from the Wharton School of Business. And we'd like to hear his thoughts with us. General Manager, Bellrise, Mr. Swasti Badve, please welcome.
Good morning, everyone. Come on, let's go. Today is not just a milestone. It's a moment of transformation for our family, our team, and for Bellrise. From being a closely held private company to now becoming a publicly listed company. Over the last 2 years, we have worked tirelessly on this process through due diligence, red line versions, final versions, near final filing versions, final filing versions. There's just been a lot of iterations that we've had to go through to come over here. But today, after countless roadshows, multiple investor interactions, and countless follow-up calls, we've finally reached at this moment. The one moment that'll stick to me for the rest of my life is the 55-hour stretch that we took to file a DRHP. That was day one of starting this journey today. And yet, standing here, what strikes me most is not the effort it took to get here, but the scale of opportunity that now lies ahead of us. When we started this journey, we asked ourselves, what does it mean to go public? For us, it's just not about capital. It's about trust. It's about responsibility. It's about inviting the world into our story and holding ourselves accountable to a higher standard every single day. I want to take a moment to thank the investors, institutional, non-institutional, retail, who have shown immense belief in us. I'd also like to express our deepest gratitude to our bankers, Jefferies, SBI Caps, HSBC, and Axis Capital. Our counsels, Sidley Austin, Kaitan & Company, and Tri-Legal. And finally, our auditors for their immense support throughout this journey. Also to our finance, legal, and operational team, you all know who you are. Thank you so much for working tirelessly to get us here today. Looking forward, I believe that what our parents have built, they've built with a lot of purpose. We now inherit it with pride and accountability. As the next generation, Sumed and I are deeply committed to transforming Bellrise into a global, world-class engineering company. One driven by innovation, operational excellence, and a strong culture. Sumed and I are just at the beginning of our careers. We have decades ahead of us. And we're determined to use every one of those years to build a global legacy. So to all of you here, I would like to tell that today is day one of the story. Let's create a remarkable chapter ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Swastik. Wow. That was truly a refreshing welcome speech. And ladies and gentlemen, on this bright occasion, in the spirit of unity, time to welcome on stage the strategic architect of Bellrise's next generation thinking, precedent strategy, of course. He comes to Bellrise not just as inheritance, but also with a lot of knowledge and an enterprising mind, with a PS Engineering with Dean's List from the Purdue University and an MBA from the Harvard Business School. Please put your hands together for Mr. Sumed Badve.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for being with us here today. My father started Bellrise as a small but a simple idea, but a powerful one. And the idea was to build something real and something that lasts. The idea came to life more than 3 decades ago through decades of hard work from my parents and so many others who've been part of this journey that has been the building of this company. And now, as we step into the public markets, we're making a fresh commitment to the future that we're building together. We live in a remarkable time in this VUCA world today. India is emerging as a leader on this global manufacturing front. Supply chains around the world are being redefined and reimagined. Companies worldwide are looking for partners, not only those who bring trust, but quality and reliability and consistency. We truly believe that Indian companies with strong engineering and the sharp execution that we bring to the table are going to lead this next wave of growth in the world. At Bellrise, our ambition is clear: to build in India, for India, and for the rest of the world. To be truly known for our systems, our agility, and our precision. To deliver world-class quality and cutting-edge technology in every plant, in every line, and every product that we manufacture. This transformation into a public company now marks a new chapter for us. It's a shift from being fully family-owned to being institutionally built. It'll push us to strengthen even more our governance, sharpen our systems, and build something that lasts for generations to come. Swastik, as he previously mentioned, and I, we're fully aligned to this next phase. We're focused on building with scale and structure, speed with discipline, and growth with purpose. And most of all, we're committed to doing it the right way and with the right and the best people beside us. So to our incredible team members and colleagues from all across all our factories and all our offices who are watching this live and those who are present here today, thank you so much. Truly, you are the soul of Bellrise. Your ownership, your discipline, and your pride in what you truly do. That's what's got us here today. And that is what's going to take us forward. This moment belongs to you. And to our new investors and partners, welcome to the Bellrise family. You're a part of our story now, and we'll work every single day to earn your trust, to deliver exceptional value, not only in terms of financial results, but through how we run this company, the values we stand for, and the future that we aim to build. This is day one. We're energized, we're ready. Thank you.
That is what I would call an iconic speech coming straight from the heart. Sumit, thank you so much and many congratulations to you. Now it is time to invite on stage a pillar of strength, a strategic mind behind the company's cultural, the organizational ethos, and the overall business management. Director at Bellrise Industries, please put your hands together for Mrs. Supriya Srikanth Badve. Welcome, ma'am.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today marks a historic moment for Bellrise Industries. The overwhelming response from investor with an impressive 43 times oversubscription is a testament of faith and trust you have placed in us. It's a moment of immense pride, gratitude, and more responsibility. This moment is outcome of chain reaction, a journey marked by numerous challenges, ups and downs, countless sacrifices, and many sleepless nights. Today marks a proud milestone for Bellrise, a company built on strength of our values and manufacturing prowess. Over the last 30 years, we have evolved from a small unit to a structured, multi-locational organization driven by deep commitment to the systems and people. Our foundation is rooted in total productive maintenance and the Kaizen philosophy, which we learned from Bajaj, where every small improvement matters. These principles, learned from our customers, have made us consistent, reliable, and scalable. However, system alone don't build a great company. People do. These all my people who are sitting here, they are contributed a lot to our journey. We have embedded diversity, equity, and inclusion into our organizational and cultural DNA, not just as a policy, but as a principle. Pioneering initiatives like introducing women engineers on our shop floor have brought fresh perspectives, discipline, and problem-solving skills to our toughest challenge. This isn't just inclusion, it's excellence. Our commitment to women empowerment extends beyond our organization through CSR initiatives, focused on skill development, community upliftment, long-term social impact. We believe business and society are interconnected, and what we build inside should reflect what we want to see outside. I'd like to thank you, our incredible team across all plants and corporate offices who have been instrumental in making our systems work and bringing structure to scale. Dear team members, dear colleagues, all our supply chain management stakeholders, all vendors, our suppliers, everyone, thank you so much. Your dedication and purpose-driven performance have been the driving force behind our growth. As we enter new phase today, with Sumit and Swastit taking into leadership roles, I am confident we will grow into not as a company, but as a platform of talent, innovation, and impact. Thank you, dear sons, being a part of this journey. I just want to understand, for me, being involved long back in the company, work-life balance matters a lot for me. And I recalled my all experiences. So I want to thank you, and I'm grateful for unwavering support from my mother-in-law, Kumit Badve, my late father-in-law, Shankar Badve, my parents, Viya Savakar, Shashikala Savakar, and all our brothers and sisters who helped me to navigate these challenges. Thank you for patience listening. Thank you so much.
Supriya ma'am, truly the mind behind the culture and the ethos that we've successfully established at Bellrise. Thank you so much. From 150 square feet and 3 people to a listing ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for us to invite on stage the man who has led Bellrise Industries with vision, integrity, determination, needs no introduction, Mr. Shrikant Shankar Padve.
"37 years. I did my engineering at the age of 22, and I'm just recalling how time passed. It passed within seconds. I am able to recall all my first day. When I thought of starting the factory, I wanted to be a job giver than job seeker. When I spoke to my father and mother, without a single second, they said, "Please do whatever you want. We are here with you." And that is my strong energy, strong commitment, strong capital for me when I started. 3 workers, 150 square foot, turnover of rupees 8,000 per month, just a lakh of rupees per annum, and humble beginning. I wanted to grow. I went to Aurangabad because the land which was in Pune for 5 lakhs, I got there for 20,000 rupees. I shifted over there in the dormitory, stayed 6 years alone in Aurangabad. Tough times, but I was determined to fight. I remember in 90 I had jaundice, 91 I had typhoid, 92 I had piles operation. At the age of 27 I had piles operation. I asked my doctor, "What's going wrong?" He says, "You're fighting 2 fronts, physical front and mental front. Your body cannot attack. You can't have attack on both sides." He says, "You please be in the office and take as much tension, or just go on the field and don't take tension." I say, "It's one-man show. I need to drive. I have to be there on both fronts." My mother asked me, "Do you want to come back to Aurangabad, leave Aurangabad, come back to Pune?" I could see tears in her eyes because she was looking as a son, as a caring mother. She was looking at me. I said, "Don't worry." And thank God, after that, things went good. We got good support. We grown. And I think today we are here with 8,000 employees of our company. In this journey, initially, when we started, my father stood with me. Today I'm missing him. He must be blessing me from the God, from there. I am remembering him a lot. But my mother is here. My mother is here, and she stood with me in every tough times. She stood with me like a rock solid support. Later on, my wife came. She helped me a lot. She was in LIC. She resigned from LIC, joined my business, stood with me in tough times, and gave me a great support, a trust with a blind confidence. Now you've seen Sumit, a graduate from Harvard, Swasthi from Wharton, McKinsey. Both are keen to join the business and take this to the next level. I must mention, in the whole journey, our customer Bajaj Auto really taught us a lot, hold our hand. They taught us TPM. They made us to understand and how to implement widely and deeply. Today, TPM is part of our life, is our DNA. I think a lot of credit goes to them who handhold us and made us possible to reach to this level. Today, I always feel we work for our customer, our customers, our employees, our bankers, society at large, and ourselves. Now, we are getting one more dimension in that, our investors. I stay committed, I stay here, that I will be very sincere, very honest to all my investors, and we'll have a very, very long-term growing and happy association. I I can talk for long. This is my own story, so I can talk relentlessly, but I think today we are looking at a time and I don't want to speak more. I don't want to come in between. I think this is one of my memorable moment and I am really cherished. I am really very happy to all my friends, all my relatives, all my bankers, everybody who has helped us to take this public presence. It is a journey itself, is a big learning and it is very enjoyable. Today I feel very proud. I am committed here in front of you for all my friends who are joining online, to all our investors, that we are a committed company. There are two strong management. My both sons are there. Our bandwidth has gone up. We will definitely look for some acquisition for growth. At the same time, we will be very, very conservative. We will not go out of domain. We will remain stuck in our main core and take this company forward. I could see a few of my friends who have come from Japan. I thank you to you for coming all the way from Japan and blessing me in the very memorable time. So I think thank you to all, and I really look for long-term association. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Srikanth sir, I can, as I was standing there and listening to you, I can just imagine the emotions that are running through both your mind and your heart. And thank you for doing what you did, because that is how today all of us are part of your incredible journey. And many congratulations to you, sir. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am literally looking at the clock because every second is of essence. I am now deeply honored to invite on stage Managing Director and CEO of the National Stock Exchange, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, who plays a very pivotal role in the celebration of Bellrise Industries Limited's listing ceremony. Sir, request you to please join us on stage and share your thoughts with us this morning. Aye, sir.
पूज्य स्वामी रामदेव जी, my friend Shri Shrikant Shankar Badwe, Sushri Supriya Shrikant Badwe, Shri Sumit Badwe, Shri Swastit Badwe, Shri Ashish and Shri GB Jacob from Jefferies, Shri Amrendra Singh, SBI Caps, board members, distinguished guests, employees, ladies and gentlemen, my seniors from bureaucracy, industry, and other places, Shri Arvind Singh, Sushri Sangeeta Singh Jindal, Shri Girish Ahuja, Shri Sanjeev Mehta, Shri Milind Kamble, Shri Shailesh Haribhakti, Shri Ravi Nara, Shri Sagiv from Israeli Embassy. Thanks for coming today. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of Bellrise Industries Limited. NSE is proud to welcome Bellrise in our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 2733rd company to list with us. India is the fourth largest capital market in the world in terms of market capitalization. Market capitalization of NSE listed companies has grown over 122 times in rupee terms since NSE started operations in 94, which now stands at 441 lakh crore or US $5.2 trillion. And from today onwards, Bellrise will be an integral part of it. In 30 years, NSE has had a remarkable journey of enabling a fair, efficient and transparent capital market ecosystem and being a catalyst to the growth story of India, enabling economic growth, capital formation, wealth creation and job creation. NSE has reached over 11.3 crore unique investors with over 22 crore accounts, spanning 99.9% of all PIN codes in the country, barring just 28, with over 1/5 of all households investing in stock markets today. In financial year 25, NSE facilitated 242 IPOs, mobilizing 1.7 lakh crore or $20 billion US. This marks the highest number of IPOs recorded in any financial year, demonstrating the growing confidence of investors in India's capital markets. I congratulate the entire team of Bellrise, the merchant bankers Axis, HSBC, Jefferies, SBI Capital Markets, legal advisors Khaitan, PR agency Concept, and everyone else associated in this listing for their accomplishments. At NSE, we are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities, and making capital markets more accessible for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories. We hope that today's successful listing of Bellrise Industries on NSE will inspire many more companies to list with us. This listing day is the start of a strong partnership between us. NSE looks forward to support Bellrise in their all future fundraising endeavors as well. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Ashish sir. It is now time for us where Shri Ashish ji will be presenting mementos to Bellrise Industries, of course, even our banking managers, partners, legal advisors, and our agency partners as well. To begin with, I'd like to invite on stage Shrikant sir, Supriya ma'am, Sumit, Swastid, if you could please join us on stage. On behalf of NSE, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan will now be presenting the iconic Bell Proud Batches. Proud to be doing the honors. Thank you very much, sir. All right, due to paucity of time, Mr. Jacob is going to make a comeback very, very soon after we have the bell ringing ceremony. Meanwhile, I'd like to invite on stage all our dignitaries for the bell ringing ceremony, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Mr. Shrikant, Supriya ma'am, Sumedh and Swastit, Mr. Ashish Agarwal, Mr. Amarendra Singh, Kumud ma'am is here with us, Mr. Ashish Nigam, Mr. Ranveer Davda, requesting you to please join us on stage. And just to keep you all posted on what's going on stage, right now there is a conversation about who's going to actually do the bell ringing ceremony. So clearly we are going to play it by the ear. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, like a very good host, always briefs everyone on what to do next, which is technically part of my job, but Ashish ji is so kind to always take over this part for me. And ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the stage, and you are going to count down the final 10 seconds with me, because this moment belongs to each and every one of us in the room. So while you have your phone in your hands, you can probably work out your throat a little bit and join me in counting down the final 10 seconds. Almost there. And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bellrise Industries Limited is now listed. It's public. And it is unstoppable. Let the markets open. Let the world take note. Bellrise is just getting started. And Bellrise family, can you make some noise, please? That is more like it. That's how we do a successful listing ceremony. Many, many congratulations to each and every one of us in the room. for good luck, for posterity, and opening a brand new chapter at Bellrise Industries. Thank you so to all of our dignitaries. Thank you so much. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Shrikant ji, Shrikant sir, please stay with me for 1 second on stage because we would now like to invite the registrar of the issue, MUFG Lincoln Time, to please join us on stage. We'd like to present a memento. Have 2 more things on our agenda. Thank you so much for your incredible partnership. Thank you very much. Everybody, can we give a huge round of applause for the captain of this extraordinary ship once again? Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Please take your seat as I invite on stage someone who's worked very closely with Bellrise through this IPO journey, Mr. J.B. Jacob, Managing Director, Head of India Equity Capital Markets at Jefferies India Private Limited.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Since the listing is now over, I am under no time pressure, so I'm going to be making it a 20-minute speech. But jokes apart, everybody has said welcome, so I'll skip that part. What I would say is 2 things that comes to my mind standing in front of you today. It's 2 phrases actually. They say good things take time, and today what we have witnessed is a journey that started 30 years back, started by Shrikantji, as he mentioned, just employing 3 people to 8,000 odd people. And it's very heartening to see both his sons, Sumedh and Swazit, who are not only carrying forward the vision, but also bring a different perspective to business. Second, they say good things happen to good people. I genuinely believe, that's the case here. We met the family almost 1.5 years back. Being a 100% family-owned business, they were not in the state of readiness. I think we worked with them under a tent. We believe they are very well poised to, continue the journey in listed market. And this journey for more than a year old was not a one which was always seen upside. There was ups and downs, especially the last 3 months, because India faced a lot of volatility. It was a tough times. There were doubts whether we should push the IPO by a few months. I think this is where the quality of the management comes in play. They bring out the resilience in them. They made Mumbai their home. I wouldn't say second home. They virtually made Mumbai their first home during the last 3 months and kept on pushing all of us to look for investors who shared the same vision that they carry. And, gives me great pleasure to see it being the highest subscribed IPO of 2025, more than 40 times, which is a great testament. And I thank all anchor investors, all retail, HNI, institutional investors who have been partners with us in the journey. And the Bellrise family, from just under 10 shareholders, has grown to more than 5 lakh shareholders today. And it comes with great responsibility, and I have no doubt in my mind that it rests on your able shoulders to carry forward the legacy that is started by Shrikantji. I would like to thank all the members who have been part of the journey, the regulators, SEBI, the stock exchanges, especially NSE for hosting us here, the legal counsel, auditors, printers, the PR agency, and all of other intermediaries who made this possible. And lastly, to the management team, thank you for all the courage you exhibited, your belief in us. And, this is not a goodbye. Unfortunately, you will be stuck with us because we're going to be your biggest cheerleaders in the listed world. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jacob. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite on stage a personality who most certainly requires no introduction, but to say the least, I'd say he brought back the health revolution to this country. Please join me in welcoming on stage Swami Ramdev ji.
श्रीकांत जी के नाम में श्री है, इधर स्वस्ति है, इधर सुमित है, इधर सुप्रिया है, सबके नाम में ही कल्याण है। तो बहुत अभिनंदन इस पूरे परिवार का। मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में चाइना को वर्ल्ड लीडर बोलते हैं। यदि हिंदुस्तान में 1000 श्रीकांत बड़वे तैयार हो जाए तो हम चाइना को बीट कर सकते हैं। ये जज्बा देश में जगाने की जरूरत है। हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी 2 दिनों से कह रहे हैं, भारत के व्यापारियों से आह्वान कर रहे हैं, देश के लोगों से आह्वान कर रहे हैं, आप चाहते हो भारत ग्रो करे तो हमें विदेशी कंपनियों का बहिष्कार करना है। देश का प्रधानमंत्री कह रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए एक बार जोरदार अभिनंदन। आप देश में स्वदेशी का, देश में स्वावलंबन का, आत्मनिर्भरता का एक नया दौर शुरू हुआ है और अब चाइना नहीं, अमेरिका नहीं, जर्मनी नहीं, रसिया नहीं, भारत वर्ल्ड को लीड करेगा। वो संकल्प हमें दोहराना है। और ये खाली मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में नहीं, हेल्थ में, एजुकेशन में, रिसर्च में, एग्रीकल्चर में, इंडस्ट्री में, अकाउंटेबिलिटी, सब जगह मैंने कहीं पर भी नाम आए तो भारत सर्वोपरि रहना चाहिए। युद्ध के समय हमें याद आती है, अरे भारत सबसे मजबूत होना चाहिए, लेकिन 2-4 लोगों ने कुछ एहसान फरामोशी की है। ट्रंप कभी कभी भारत को आंख दिखाने की कोशिश करता है, लेकिन आने वाले 10-15 सालों में भारत को इतना स्ट्रांग बना देना है कि ट्रंप भी भारत के सामने शीर्षासन करता हुआ नजर रहा है। मैं ट्रंप की आलोचना नहीं कर रहा हूं, लेकिन इतने महान राष्ट्र का राष्ट्रपति कभी कुछ बयान दे देता, कभी कुछ बयान दे देता। इतना तो हमें नेताओं को भारत में भी पलटू राम नहीं देखा जितना उसको देखा। तो क्या है चक्कर? हमें ये सोचना होगा कि हमें अपने काम को इतनी मजबूती से करना है कि आज जो 43 टाइम्स जो है ये सब्सक्राइब हुआ इशू, ये विश्वास को जताता है। एक बार जोरदार पुनः अभिनंदन है श्रीकांत बड़वे फैमिली का। और हम सब ऐसी प्रतिबद्धता के साथ, जैसे मैंने जब हमारे आशीष जी जब उधर बीएससी में थे, उधर अब इधर आए, तो जहां आशीष जी जाते हैं वहां रौनक आ जाती है। एक बार जोरदार अभिनंदन है इनकी प्रतिबद्धता को, इनकी दूरदर्शिता को। और मुझे लगता है अब ये आईपीओ के क्षेत्र में एक विश्व कीर्तिमान एनएससी का भी नया बनने वाला, उसके लिए अग्रिम बधाई हमारे। तो ये ऐसे ही सब लोग मिलकर के पुरुषार्थ करें। अच्छा देखो, मैं एक बस लास्ट बात कहता हूं, मैं तो यहां अपना प्रेम व्यक्त करने के लिए आया हूं। मैं पहली बार किसी भारत के किसी कार्यक्रम में 2:30 बजे चला हूं हरिद्वार से। 2:30 बजे चला, दिल्ली पहुंचा, दिल्ली से यहाँ आया। मैं प्राइवेट जेट लेकर के भी आ सकता था, मैंने कहा फिर क्यों ज्यादा खर्चा किया, चलो रेगुलर फ्लाइट में ही चलते हैं। तो मैं यहाँ पर पहुंचा हूं अपना प्रेम व्यक्त करने के लिए इस रूप में कि मैं सन्यासी होकर के कंदराओं गुफाओं में भी बैठ सकता था। मैंने संसार के तमाम आकर्षणों से अपने आप को डिटैच किया हुआ है। मुझे कोई आवश्यकता नहीं किसी दुनिया के धन की, दौलत की, सत्ता की, न संपत्ति की, न सम्मान की। न मुझे भारत रत्न की जरूरत है, न नोबेल पुरस्कार की जरूरत है। काम नोबेल करते हैं, काम नोबेल होना चाहिए ना, क्या जरूरत है सबकी। लेकिन मेरा संकल्प है कि मैं 100 साल से अधिक समय तक भारत माता की सेवा करूंगा, अंतिम श्वास तक, भारत के लिए, भारत की समृद्धि के लिए। तो जब एक सन्यासी होकर के न जिसकी न बीवी है, न बच्चे हैं, न जिसकी कोई ख्वाहिश है कि मेरे पास में ऐसी घड़ी होनी चाहिए, ऐसी गाड़ी होनी चाहिए, ऐसा मोबाइल होना चाहिए, ऐसे जूते चप्पल होने चाहिए। अब हम तो संपूर्ण स्वदेशी हैं। जूते चप्पल भी खड़ा हुआ ऐसी है, ये 25 साल तक काम आती है, बड़ी मजबूत है। लोग इन्हीं चक्करों में रहते हैं, मेरे जूते कैसे, मेरी चप्पल कैसे। सबसे ज्यादा जो है महंगे ब्रांडेड खरीदने वाला ललित पोफले यहां पर बैठा हुआ है। कुछ लोग इसी चक्कर में रहते हैं। तो हम जूते और चप्पलों से, तुम्हारी शर्ट से तुम्हारी पहचान नहीं बननी चाहिए, तुम्हारे काम से तुम्हारी पहचान बननी चाहिए। वैसे काम भी अच्छा करता है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। लेकिन मैं बात कह रहा हूं कि जिसको कोई चाह नहीं है, वो भी यदि भारत माता के लिए काम करता है, तो हमको सबको ऐसा पुरुषार्थ करना है कि अभी तो हमने जापान को पछाड़ा है, अभी हमें जर्मनी को पछाड़ना है, थोड़ी दिनों में हमें चाइना को भी पछाड़ना है। 15-20 साल में जो विकसित भारत का देश के प्रधानमंत्री का सपना है, 2047 से पहले उसको पूरा करके दिखाना और भारत को विश्व की सबसे बड़ी आर्थिक, आध्यात्मिक, सामाजिक, राजनीतिक और सैन्य महाशक्ति के रूप में खड़ा करना है। ऐसे संकल्प के साथ सब आगे बढ़े। अभी आज लिस्टिंग बहुत अच्छी हुई है, अब जो है 100 से ऊपर कूदे हैं। अभी ऐसे ही निरंतर आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे और नवकीर्तिमान घटते रहेंगे। 9 स्टेट्स में 17 फैक्ट्रियां कोई इजी टास्क नहीं है और शून्य से सारा सृजन किया है। हम अपनी यात्रा को एक जैसा देखते हैं। 35 साल पहले हमने भी अपनी सार्वजनिक यात्रा शुरू की। 35 इयर्स पहले श्रीकांत बड़वे जी ने भी यात्रा शुरू की। इन्होंने भी शून्य से सृजन किया। हमारा भी, अब कंपनी आदि तो बाद में बनी, हमारे भी ट्रस्ट का साल का लगभग 1 लाख रुपए का, साल का 1 लाख रुपए की हमारी सेवा थी, जो भी उसका हिसाब किताब था पूरे साल भर की सेवा का। तो 1 लाख से इन्होंने शुरू किया। अब 1 लाख से आपको हम तो शुभकामनाएं देते हैं। आने वाले 10, 20, 25 सालों में इतने सुयोग्य बच्चे, दोनों बच्चों के लिए सुमित और स्वास्थ्य के लिए पुनः जोरदार अभिनंदन है। आप भी अब 8-10 हजार से शुरू करके 1 लाख तक पहुंचे, 1 लाख करोड़ तक पहुंचे। हमारी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और इतने काबिल लोग हैं, हमारे जयफ्री जितना काबिल है, वो जहां हाथ लगाते हैं वहीं पर उसको आसमान छुआ देते हैं। हमारे गिरीश आहूजा साहब जैसे इतने काबिल जो है मार्गदर्शक है हमारे पास, इतना अच्छा बोर्ड है हमारे पूरी कंपनी का, इतने अच्छे लोग हैं। एक बार सबके सामूहिक पुरुषार्थ के लिए, क्योंकि ये जो कार्य हुआ है कोई एक व्यक्ति के पुरुषार्थ नहीं, सबके सामूहिक पुरुषार्थ के लिए बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन।
Swami ji, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. I'd like to invite Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan sir. Sir, if you could please join us. And Shrikant sir, if you could join us on stage, because ये जो bell ringing ceremony की हमने दोस्तों बस कुछ ही क्षणों पहले, इसकी एक तस्वीर है जो NSE present करेंगी to the Bellrise family. इंस्टाग्राम का जमाना है तो हम भी यहाँ पे इंस्टेंट फोटोग्राफी लेके आए हैं और इस मेमोरी को जो है इस फ्रेम में कैद किया हुआ है. एंड दिस इज फॉर द एंटायर बेलराइज फैमिली फ्रॉम द NSE. Congratulations, sir. Thank you once again. Thank you so much to all of our dignitaries. To formally express our gratitude, we now invite Mr. Amrendra Singh, EVP and Group Head, ECM, Investment Banking at SBI Capital Markets Limited, for the vote of thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. I am feeling very humbled to present the vote of thanks for this IPO ceremony. And though I had in priority list someone else, after this rousing speech and so very motivational speech by Baba Ramdev, I would first like to thank him for inspiring us all and giving his presence in this auspicious occasion. Thank you, sir. Though technically not the first IPO of this financial year, the success that it has generated, it almost feels like the first IPO for this financial year, and I am sure it is going to pave the way for many more successful IPOs in the coming months, and also inspire more investor confidence in successful companies like Bellrise Industries. First of all, this IPO has been the outcome of a relentless hard work by so many intermediaries who have been involved in the process, but none can be compared to the 37 years of relentless hard work put in by the management of this company in bringing this company to this stage so that it can list so successfully. So I would like to congratulate the management, Mr. Shrikant Badwe, who is also the brand ambassador for Make in India for Government of India. Ably supported by Madam Madam Supriya Badwe, Mr. Shashwat and Mr. Subed Badwe. I would also like to thank them all for being part of this IPO process, and their involvement has made it so very successful. Secondly, the investors who have shown so much confidence in the company and despite the turbulent times come in some so huge numbers. In fact, the success of an IPO, I can say, can be gauged by the number of disappointments it causes in a number of people, by the larger number of people. So in this IPO, I believe a lot of people will be disappointed who may have applied for it and will not be getting an allotment. So a very successful IPO. But really we must thank all the investors who have come and supported the company and are willing to be a part of this company. Next, there are various intermediaries. I would like to thank my fellow BRLMs, the teams who have been involved for almost 1.5 years in taking this IPO to the listing that we have. Axis Capital, HSBC Securities, Jefferies India, as well as my team from SBI Capital Markets. SBI has been a partner to Bellrise Industries for long as a banker and now as also the IPO supporter. I would also like to thank all the other intermediaries, the legal advisors, auditors, registrars, advertisers, printers, and all others involved in the process of their contribution and a successful IPO listing. I would also like to thank the NSE team, Mr. Chauhan sir, for providing this wonderful stage for an exciting listing for this IPO. Last but not the least, for the wonderful participation by the wonderful audience here, I would like to thank you all for being part of this. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much indeed, Mr. Singh. And I'm literally going to take a cue from Mr. Singh's list of gratitude and take the next few moments as we're inching towards the closing of the official listing ceremony to extend our gratitude to those who are the backbone of the Bellrise Industries, our family members. So Shrikant sir, Supriya ma'am, I'm going to request you to please join us on stage as we say thank you to our family members, beginning with Dr. Sandhya and Dr. Nitin Burkule, requesting you to please join us on stage and accept a token of our appreciation on behalf of the Bellrise family. Sumedh and Swasthi, requesting you to please join us on stage for this moment as well. These are family members who've been standing through and through with the family. I have this beautiful family here with us and the entire Bellrise family. We come to the end of the official listing ceremony of Bellrise Industries Limited. I'll bet a very, very successful one. Can we please put our hands together in one final thunderous round of applause for Bellrise Industries rising stronger, innovating relentlessly and moving farther and farther. Many congratulations once again to the iconic duo on stage and to the entire Bellrise family. Please join us for refreshments and conversations. I'm Xenia Fernandez signing off. Have a phenomenal day ahead. Thank you.